Good morning, Small Town Solutions. Thanks for tuning in again today. Today we're going to do another unboxing. So what I have here is something a little bit different. This is totally something I've never done before. I'm going to try some resin pouring. So I went onto Amazon and I found this Let's Resin molding kit. Comes with the resin you need, also comes with the molds that you need. So inside the box, we're going to go ahead and open the box. You guys look over in this camera, which will be over in this corner over here. You're going to see exactly what is in this box a little up close and personal. So we'll go ahead and open it. And there you are. Give the camera a view of what's inside there. And so what we have in here, we got some measuring cups and stir sticks. We have the molds. There's 4 different molds in this kit, as you guys can see here. We have a square, or a cube, sorry. There is a diamond, there's a sphere, and then there's a pyramid. So these are just molds that you can pour your resin into, and it makes shapes. The other thing that we have in here, we have the resin itself. Now this is a 2-part resin. Mix the 2 parts together. I believe it is mix them equal parts, yep, ratio 1:1. It even says 1:1 on each bottle. You mix the 2 resins together, go ahead and pour it into your mold, and there you go. This kit also comes with some flowers, little flowers to put into the resin. These make great gifts or little trinkets, so they come with flowers. Oh, this is a disc mold. So this would be for like doing I'm guessing like a coaster or something. Kind of cool. But this one also comes with glitter. As you guys can see, different colors, glitter and pigments. Again, you mix all that into the resin, apparently, and it gives you different colors. If you want it clear, you don't add any of this. But yeah, it's something that you can play with. Comes with the for resin beginners instruction manual. And trust me, I'm a beginner, so I'm definitely going to need this. And it comes with little snuffer bottles. Again, not really sure what they're for. Maybe do you pick up some of the resin? I'm not 100% sure. So we're going to have to give this all a try here and see what this is all about. We're going to have to mix up some of this resin, and I don't know if I'm going to use the pigments. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is the Let's Resin molding kit. So yeah, that's what the kit looks like. You can order it on Amazon. As you guys can see around me here, I have a very nice selection of rocks. Big shout out to North Girl Rocks. She has provided me with all of these beautiful rocks, and I'm going to actually add them into this resin. I'm going to make a couple of different things with them. We're going to highlight some of these beautiful rocks. If you guys want to check out her stuff, I'll put her links below for all of her social medias. But thank you again. And yeah, we're going to give this a try and see how it turns out. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. Remember to like, follow, subscribe, and tune in here on the next time when we're actually going to use this resin and see how it turns out. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you again next time here on Small Town Solutions.